Hi, it's Mrs. Golding in your math packet today on page 22, and this is problem number 2. Joe is lucky because he gets to go to an ice cream shop today. Um, I might have to go get some at somewhere where I can get it at a drive-through, I guess. And he's at the ice cream shop. Here's the ice cream shop, and his house is 10 blocks. So here's the ice cream shop, and his house is here, 10 blocks north of the shop. The park is 10 blocks south of the ice cream shop. When he is at the ice cream shop, is Joe closer to the park here or to his house? And then it says, how could the number 0 be used in this situation? Okay, so I have created a vertical number line. An example of a vertical number line that we use all the time is a thermometer, right? And a lot of times when we think of a number line, we think it has to be horizontal, going this way, but it can be vertical, right? Because we're talking north and we're talking south, we might as well use a vertical number line because it just makes sense, right? So I am looking here to figure out how far is my friend Joe from the ice cream parlor when he's at his house. So from here to here is 10 blocks, right? And likewise, from here to here is also 10 blocks, right? So we could think of it instead of like this. What if we called this line where Joe's house is located? What if we just call that 10? And we call this 10 units, 10 blocks, right? What would the ice cream shop represent? This is 0 in that case, right? So think of my number line again. Think of a thermometer. Think of it like this, right? So a number line is just a great way to show distance. So we could expand that problem just a little bit and say, how many blocks apart, or how many blocks does Joe have to walk to get to the park? Well, you can see that quite easily with our number line. He goes 10 and 10, which is 20, right? Likewise, the park to his house is 20. What if he went from his house to the ice cream shop and back? That would be 20. And then he went all the way to the park and back, right? So that'd be 20 plus another 20 and 20, right? Would be 40. So he'd walk 50 blocks. There's about 12 blocks makes about a mile. So 12, 24, 36, 48. He would have walked about 4 miles if he did that. None of that's in that problem, but it's fun to think about, right? I am going to go to the park today because it's going to be nice. And I'm actually going to try to get some ice cream. I think that sounds like a grand idea. I hope you find something fun to do today. Talk to you soon.